In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Whop. So in order to do this, first just go to whop.com and just go to your Whop. From there you want to then click Payouts, and here click Additional Payment Methods. And then from here you will then see Set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments. So go and click Set up, then click Next. And from there it's then going to redirect you to PayPal, where you can then connect your PayPal account. And this is for if you want to, and this is for if you have your own Whop and you want people to be able to pay for your Whop using PayPal. However, if for example you are a clipper and you want to pay out your money to PayPal, currently that is not accepted. You can see when you go to payment methods and click add payment method, right now they only allow you for you to add a card. Now this may change in the future, so if it does become available in the future to pay out your balance to PayPal, you will be able to find it right here in the payment methods once you click on add payment method. So that's how to connect PayPal to Whop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.